Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic Audi A3 2-litre TDI Sport S Tronic 3-door. Now this vehicle has currently done 55,374 miles and it's finished in the colour Scuba Blue. It does come with 7 previous services. It's been very well looked after and it's a lovely looking hatchback. It sits nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You've got daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you will find 365 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,100 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your cloth interior featuring blue detailing which complements the exterior colour. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you've got your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. On your steering wheel to the left you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have some controls for the infotainment system. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to all different driving data such as your average fuel consumption. There's also a digital speedometer there and also access to other features including your vehicle messages, audio, telephone and navigation menus. At the top of the dashboard you have your infotainment screen. Now this is controlled using the dial and buttons here in the centre console. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music in the media section. You've got the Audi Music interface, CD player, SD input as well as Bluetooth connectivity. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You also have your telephone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're on the go. In your car menu you've got the Audi Drive Select with your different driving modes of efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. These change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience. You also have access to your systems where you've got some vehicle settings such as your lighting and central locking. There's also your driver assist with your speed warning, rest recommendation, rain sensing wipers and settings for your rear parking sensors. Below the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. In the centre console you've got a 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders along with your automatic gear selector and electronic handbrake. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.